Corpus Christi.
Holy, please don't
going
leave
north.
me. I'm getting too. Okay.
Oh,
225.
Lord.
225.
Johnson should have gone north. Also, I think my OBS is working.
Okay, then start recording.
I am.
Why
I'm
can my
trying to get out of
helicopter
here
only go
as quickly as
that
possible.
slow,
Oh
dude?
my God,
These
Decatur.
helicopters are trash.
Wait,
Oh,
we gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. Go, go, go,
Oh
go,
no!
go,
Oh
go,
no!
go,
Oh
go,
no!
go,
I
go.
gotta get out. I gotta get out of here.
I'm leaving, I'm
We
leaving.
gotta
These
go.
are going
We
down
gotta
everywhere.
go.
No.
It
I'm
is
trying
right
to
there.
get out of here. I'm
It's
trying
right
my
next to
hardest get out of here.
me. It's right next to me.
Sorry.
POV Pecos Hank.
Pick us pink.
POV Hank. Yeah, POV Pecos Hank. Friday the 3rd. April.
What?
Friday the 13th.
Okay.
W.
I had to
Just
speed
give up
it out
on
of
it.
here.
April 13th.
Corpus Christi,
2012.
City, and Decatur.
Oh
my God.
It's right there. It's crossing right behind us.
Moving on a path towards a large city.
It's a little violent. I'm actually gonna move.
It's headed right for El RONE. You could also say, hey, POV Pedro say Hanson 2017.
Okay, we got it.
An extremely dangerous
Which tornado? I'm looking at it right now.
Yes, we know.
Yeah, I wasn't sure. Thank you.
Guys, I think he's a little large.
Almost like the wall cloud itself on the ground. Wow.
Small tornado the size of a large tornado.
Okay, I'm gonna get time lapse.
So true.
Oh, I gotta go. I gotta go.
Yo, what's up,
Dude, the
Obi?
helicopter.
Okay.
Bob, more
This is
shop.
it, guys.
Bob, more shop 4. There it is, damn.
Holy, you need to move.
Yeah, we're fine.
Whose car? Oh, it's
By the
right
way,
there.
It's weakening, by the way.
Is
No, it
it?
isn't.
Yeah.
No, it isn't.
What
That's
stage?
damaging music.
Oh, I'm dumb.
That's
I'm a
damaging.
dumbass.
Yeah.
Whoops.
Aren't you an admin?
I haven't played the game in like 5 months. Okay.
Yeah, this is damage music.
Yeah.
There's
No. I.
flying around. Fun.
Okay, I'm gonna turn around and leave. That gas station is about to explode.
Massive tornado.
Yep, there goes a roof.
That's
Bye-bye.
big.
Will,
Um,
what are you doing? Screen capturing.
Deploying my probe right here.
A powerful
Holy,
swoop
turn
my
it
head.
around. Turn around.
There's another one.
Yeah, Johnson.
Yeah, I
it's
got
all
two
for that
votes. I got
content,
two
man.
votes. Gotta run. Gotta
No,
run. Gotta run.
I'm
Gotta
trying
run.
to
Gotta run. It's
live.
coming. Yeah, it's coming.
Go.
I think
Oh!
I ended it.
Fly.
Johnson.
Leave.
Very powerful.
Keep going. Run away. Oh, there's debris flying across the road.
It's
Debris
gonna.
flying across
Oh,
Multi.
What?
the road. Multi again.
Wait.
Oh.
That's a
Johnson.
huge multi.
Johnson.
Oh my
we're
gosh,
trying to-
wait. No, these
There's so
multivorts
much
are gonna be
different-
violent.
Johnson, we can get the multi-vortex funny if it
tumbleweeds.
hits Corpus Christi.
Oh yeah, I'm in Corpus. It's gonna hit
These
Bounty.
multivorts
It's
are
not,
gonna be
it's not gonna hit
violent.
Corpus. It's gonna hit Bounty.
Oh, look at the
Yeah,
wedge. Look
bounce-
at the wedge.
bounce you.
I just saw
Look at the wedge.
Andrew and Bouncy.
Look at the wedge touching down. A
Oh
wedge
yeah, I see
multivort.
two running. Wedge fort.
These
No,
multivorts
wait, it
be
is gonna hit
violent, dude.
Corpus.
And it's coming this way really quickly. Oh, there goes it. Who just got rolled?
Repositioning.
Okay,
move.
let's go.
Let's
We're
head for
out of here. We're
Corpus
out of here. Go.
Holy run, holy
Mason,
run.
we gotta go.
Get out of here. Let's go. Go. We need to retreat over to Jasper. Come on, get away from
Holy goes
Yeah,
fast
go.
as possible.
Get out of
I'm
here.
going
Get
as
out
fast
of
as
here.
possible,
Let's go.
Johnson. Johnson, I'm
Master
going
Bro's
faster
recording,
than that
let's
one
go.
time where I was going
I am
to Corpus
too.
Christi and the buildings were collapsing all. Right,
So
but it
Holy's
just-
recording, Andy's recording, I'm recording, Massive recording,
Johnson's
I'm
and
recording.
Johnson.
Look at how massive those forts are.
Just a little large. Don't worry about it.
We do a little bit of
Sports are doing
expansion.
Yeah, we do a little bit of trolling.
Oh, my probe is picking the tornado
It's gonna
up
hit
right
Corpus
now.
dead on.
Somebody just got rolled.
Yeah, Corpus is about to hit main.
Giant subvort.
Okay, this is probably a good place to watch it.
Yeah, probably out by Jasper and Elder Park.
Oh, come on.
What is that noise?
Someone is screaming, but not.
Someone
That is a
screaming in
giant-
lowercase.
Help!
Screaming in lowercase.
Please help me.
Oh, there goes Corpus.
Wait, what? What do you mean
No,
there
this
goes
is
Corpus?
Bouncy City.
I'm at the
That's
turtle
Bounty,
and
that's Bounty.
100
that's
on my
Bounty.
probe.
There goes Bouncy City. There
It's
goes
just
Bouncy
clipping
City.
Bouncy, by the way. It's not even.
No,
like,
it is
hitting
not.
down.
No,
Wait,
it is
what?
not. It's gonna hit Bouncy.
Yeah, okay, that's a subvolt going right for Bouncy.
Yeah.
No, it's going the other way.
No, it just hit. It just.
Oh
hit
wait, never
multiple
mind.
houses.
Yeah,
I
it's
140.
Not gonna lie, never mind. I just did.
okay. I need to.
Wait,
I
what
need
the?
to. I need to move.
I got 150 on my probe.
I just got picked
I
up
think
by
I'm in a
some
bad spot.
random
Oh.
dude.
Oh, there goes the
I
Dominator.
think that was Andrew. I think that was Andrew in the truck.
Uh-oh.
No, I'm not even near the tornado. I'm like a mile away.
Dom getting
Just-
rolled. Dom getting rolled.
Oh, 180 on my probe.
Oh, Vortice.
Jeez Louise. 194.
Jeebers, Johnson.
Jeebers.
Yeah, this is about to be major damage here. Not.
Yeah, likely.
Corpus
Yeah.
gonna hit it.
Oh my.
Insurance will cover it.
Flying across the
Insurance will cover it.
river. I'm taking this road.
Corpus is
Going
fine.
Dude,
Corpus
it's
is fine.
hauling now. Jeez.
Oh
Johnson
wait,
is in the
watch it.
bounds.
Oh, we gotta watch it go off the map closely.
This is all Geico. They'll help you save 15% or more.
I'm sorry.
Holy.
Johnson, you saw that, right?
It's gonna hit
Saw
Corpus.
what?
You might hit
I
Corpus.
just. Oh no.
Oh,
I'm
best
dodging
Vortice.
subvorts over here.
that could have been.
Best in
that could've
Vortice.
been- yeah,
Johnson, there's another one right behind us.
It's gonna
There is-
miss
oh, no.
Corpus or it's gonna clip it.
I want to see what this one's gonna do.
What's it gonna bounce? Where's it gonna bounce? I'm gonna probably need to move with Mason.
167.
Wait,
Uh,
where's Mason?
He's in my car.
Is
Did you
he
steal my
actually?
car?
No.
Wait, no, Mason's in my car.
Warning expired. Give it a second. It'll.
Yeah,
Let's see
when the
things.
warning.
Oh, nobody's even in my car. Oh.
Yeah, Mason's in my car.
I think there's a chance of this
I
possibly
stole some
again
poor
going
fuckers.
for E, depending on where it bounces.
It's not. Is it gonna hit Corpus at all?
It might bounce that way. Yeah.
If it does, I'm
towards Corpus,
screwed.
What way
Really,
needs to
really
move to
screwed.
bounce towards Corpus? Like south, like
Sus.
southeast. Right?
What is
That
this
is moving
green
really
shell?
fast.
What the fuck happened here?
Dude, I still can't find this freaking tornado, dude.
It's
It's on the northern side of the map.
Right,
See,
northwest or northeast?
Northwest.
Northwest.
West.
Trying to get a screenshot of me dancing in front of the tornado.
I mean,
There
I
we
can
go,
see the. I can see the outer edges of it. But I guess that means I'm getting closer.
Holy is grooving.
What am I doing?
Holy is grooving right now.
Oh no, man. Hey,
What's
Johnson,
up?
watch
Can a lope
this.
come up in your
It is
crib?
going really far off the map.
Where's it going? It's out of here. It wants no part of this. It's gonna bounce and hit Bouncy again.
Bouch. Excuse me.
I mean, technically, it
It's gonna
hasn't
hit
gone
no
out.
Rona Decatur or
Technically, it hasn't gone off the map yet.
Plot
so it's gonna
twist, it
bounce some.
broke the map.
I like how I'm just like over here and y'all are over
Oh,
there.
it's dying, isn't it?
Yeah.
Probably.
Oh, this is so
Oh. Kring.
Still
Oh,
probably
no.
did a lot
Green
of
day.
damage.
Oh, cringe.
Someone
Big
turned
curry.
on bounce.
Oh no. Oh, cringe.
Oh, it's bouncing. Bouncing to the west.
And bounce on the east.
Oh, cringe. Dun, 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 dun.
Yeehaw. No, my car.
Oh no, our table.
It broke.
Yeah, it's dying.
Oh, that's dying fast.
Yeah.
Grief. Can somebody
Yeah,
look on another
same
server and
fast.
see if we can get something better?
Oh, it's only 5 p.m. Oh.
We're gonna get another tornado probably.
Somebody look on another server just in case.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you say?
I'm too tired.
We have a moderate tomorrow.
You're chocolate.
Yeah, but wouldn't it be better just looking
Yeah, I
for
think
another high risk
significant
then?
damage and bouncy.
It'd be better looking for a new high risk than
Yeah,
taking chances with a
yeah.
limited moderate risk.
I'd say like high-end EF3 and bouncy.
And like low,
Not
like
quite.
these are mobile homes, so it's like low end.
It's not. These are not mobile.
These
Oh,
are
they're not?
They're not.
Oh.
Mobile, no, mobiles are attached like that to the ground.
Okay, well then it's probably like low end EF4, high end EF3.
Yeah,
that's
Andrew,
what I
you
was
silly
saying.
goose.
Yeah, since SCR.
Like-
Are y'all going off the SCR scale since it's different?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'd say probably high-end at EF3
EF3 because it's not like all the walls. It's not white dripping off all the walls. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave and look for another server.
Collapsing all the walls, I could say.
Holy, I'm gonna go in
Oh,
there.
look at threes near
Okay.
El Roan.
So when they take a picture of the path, by the way.
Yeah, roll on Holy's server and roll on your server.
Let's see. Okay, story frame house. Most
El
walls
Roan
collapse
damage.
is EF4 170. So, yeah, low end EF4.
Sorry, mama. Okay, mama.
Alright, I'm gonna go.
Aw, really?
Damage
Yeah, I'm
near-
tired.
You're tired.
Aw.
Yeah, I'm sick.
Yeah, I am too.
Just
Yeah,
get-
yeah. I had my fever earlier. It was 103. It's
Oh, I
gone
didn't
down.
have a fever.
Yeah, I have the flu type A. Bro, we have the same type of flu. Twinsies. Oh my god.
Let's go.
Yeah, but I'm gonna go. Night, y'all.
Alright, good night.
Free damage near El Roan is EF2, and then the damage to the gas station is like EF3.
Oh, it's dying
125.
fast.
Yeah, it's been dying for a while.
Well, it's dying faster.
It's dying fastest.
Dude, it's about to die. What do you mean go to El Roan?
You know what? It's dying really fast. DFW. Your chances with any.
Really large still for a dying tornado.
Shall we call this one a quits?
What? Would you say? Repeat that.
Hackle.
What?
Just hackle.
What?
No, I'm just saying that the tornado.
Holy fuck.
Shit, why are you always so mad at me, Hacker Surge?
I'm always angry and just like trolling.
Toxic.
Yeah, Papa's boy. That's
Dude,
Papa's
what?
boy.
That's I literally don't see that as an insult.
Papa's boy. It's a joke.
Okay.
I forget, Matt was gonna go chasing like Kansas or Oklahoma or something, and he didn't want to, and then the joke was Pop-Pop's boy or something like that.
No, he said he was tired,
No.
so.
No, Surge.
Quite
That
some
was never the
significant
thing.
ground sparring here, though. I will say that.
The reason I can't chase is because I lived 7 hours away from the target. So
Something like that. Something like that. What's your rule when chasing? You only chase on a good day?
no, I chase more storms. I just didn't chase that. Not even that.